Hello there. Welcome back to my channel, Snips by Kelly. I'm Kelly, and tonight I'm feeling foolish. I made a very big organizational mistake, and I wanted to come on super quickly before Black Friday and stop you from making the same mistake. So I just purchased this stamp set tower. I did a scrap room tour about 3 months ago and showed my whole scrap room and how I was dealing with the transition to Stampin' Up! And trying to deal with my close to my heart items as well as my Stampin' Up! Items. And in that video, I'll link that in the description. I linked everything that I have in my scrap room, all the furniture that I possibly could. I use a lot of the 13 by 13 cubes. I had my close to my heart paper in one area, my Stampin' Up! Paper in another area. I have a little die cutting station, and just a super quick review, my Bush furniture. So I have Bush furniture tables, the U-shape. I stack several of them together. I have a lot of things from Stampin' Storage because I love Stampin' Storage. I am not an affiliate with Stampin' Storage, nor do I get any kickback from them. I just love a lot of their items. And this area right here in particular has been driving me crazy. I have a lot of my solid core Stampin' Up! Paper in the 13 by 13 cubes, and it has been working for me for quite a while, but now I've been weeding out my solid core papers because Stampin' Up! Is going to be getting all of our double-sided two-tone white core cardstock, which is what I absolutely love. And so I'm wanting to rearrange so that eventually when we get all 50 colors in our two-tone white core, that I'm able to accommodate that, and then I can have one paper type. So I can actually have all two-tone white core cardstocks and slowly use up all of my close to my heart papers. And so you can see my rack. In the original video, I had all of the solid core Stampin' Up! Paper in the racks so that they were easy to grab to help me learn those colors. Now I have only the two-tone cardstocks that are available from Stampin' Up! In the racks, and I'm going to fill in the rest of that, and I'm going to store my solid core. And this little area over here has been driving me crazy. It's all of my current papers from Stampin' Up! I'm not having any problems really with any of the other areas, but when I turn around here, you'll see my bling storage. I had shown my bling storage in my previous video 3 months ago, and I still love my bling storage. It's the drawers, the stacked drawers from Stampin' Storage. I do have Stampin' Storage ink holders, marker holders, and re-inker holders over there. And then I did do a video here on my scrap box, but over to the left of the scrap box, you'll see my other Stampin' Storage bling containers. And I love them. They're working great, but I feel like I walk across the room to get them. And so I really want these drawers, these bling drawers, to be over more toward the other area. So I absolutely can stand those problem areas, the paper, the bling, and then the actual DSP I really have been having trouble with. So I purchased these and they shipped right away. In fact, they came from like speedy delivery. I couldn't believe that they got here so fast, but guess what? All of it is on sale on Black Friday. You have to look at the ad very carefully, but all of the 3-tier paper holders, and I did end up getting one of the little carousels as well for my punches, because I wasn't collecting punches at the time when I transitioned over to Stampin' Up! And I've actually got quite a few of those now. But I discovered after mine was already delivered, there's going to be free shipping in 48 states on Black Friday. Many of those items, all of the items, I think except for the stamp case tower, are going to be on sale, but you have to look really carefully. Some of it is from midnight to 6 a.m. and some of it is from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So I wanted to be sure that you knew about the Black Friday sale and you don't make the mistake I did of not checking to see if storage items were on sale prior to purchasing before Black Friday. A lesson learned. And you'll have to come back here and see how everything turned out when I get everything put away in a different video. But I wanted to get this out so you knew about the sale. Stay tuned and come back soon.